MetalWorks Torsion Spring shapes. Endless 2D and 3D options chosen from 18 standard shapes and patterns. 4 standard colors help you easily create distinct visuals that deliver the wow factor. Enter the third dimension and shape your ceiling topography with 3D panels. Let's talk about MetalWorks Shapes 2D, which are available in square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, and parallelogram shapes. For these 2D shapes, let's install a 2x2 prelude grid with slots in the flange to accept torsion spring panels. Mains install on 4-foot centers. 4-foot cross tees install on 24-inch centers, while 2-foot tees bisect the 4-foot cross tees, creating fully slotted 2x2 modules for maximum panel configuration options. Panel geometry starts with new, durable factory-applied gaskets which maintain an 1/8-inch panel-to-panel reveal. Once you release your torsion springs, you'll notice we've added built-in spring stops that protect the panel face should you let go of a spring. Between torsion springs, we've built in an alignment flange to the panel upturn, which ensures perfect panel alignment once the panel is installed. Panel corners need to always occur at a grid intersection with the alignment flange fitting securely between the grid flanges. Torsion spring panels engage the slotted grid while lifting the panel securely into place. Let's work our way around an installation of 8 right triangle panels that diverge upon a common center to show how the modular 2x2 slotted grid assembly accommodates off-module panel sizes. 2x2 modules can easily interface with triangles, trapezoids, and parallelograms. Larger format shaped panels install the same way as the smaller panels that you just saw. Let's move on to hexagon shaped panels. This panel shape also installs to a square module grid system, however the mains and tees lay out a little differently. First, you'll install slotted Prelude heavy-duty main runners on 30-inch centers. Next, install unslotted 30-inch cross tees perpendicular to the mains on 30-inch centers. Finally, you'll install 30-inch slotted cross tees on 30-inch centers parallel to the mains. The resulting 15-inch on center slotted grid spacing, referenced by the red and green lines, accommodates the staggered installation layout of hexagon panels. Hexagons either hook to slotted parallel mains or slotted parallel 30-inch cross tees, which achieves that staggered panel layout across the ceiling plane. With torsion springs, only 2 panel sides are supported. We also need to support the 2 cantilevering non-spring sides. We do that with strong factory-installed magnets that securely engage to the metal grid system. Armstrong offers 2 hexagon half-panel shapes for squaring off parallel perimeters of floating or transitioning installations. One half panel is designed to be used down one perimeter run, while the other is used when your perimeter turns 90 degrees. Use the Item 7129 tool for accessing any of the MetalWorks Shapes torsion spring panels. Insert the tool at the panel corner where a torsion spring exists. Rotate 90 degrees, then pull downward for an easy access to the plenum. Panels reinstall easily. Now, you don't live life in 2D, so let's go the extra mile and shake up your ceiling topography with 3D panels. The wow factor is built right in. Create dynamic visual landscapes with movement, flow, and fun. Armstrong MetalWorks 3D panels add a true sculptural quality designed to astonish and impress. They are easy to install too. Let's take a look. A standard 2D panel has 1.5-inch upturned edges. 3D panels have tapered 4-inch upturns that transition to an 1.5-inch upturn. The combination of these offsets are what create the sculpted 3D visual. You can mix 2D and 3D MetalWorks Shapes panels for maximum design flexibility. Matching panel upturns integrate with opposing matching upturns. Be careful not to mix opposing unmatched panel upturns, or this will be the result. As long as the neighboring panel upturn depth is the same, your installation will flow from panel to panel. 3D Shapes panels are only available in triangles. It's the combination of these triangles that achieves the unique sculptural depth. All MetalWorks Torsion Spring shapes integrate with linear lights and air diffusers by using 4 or 6-inch technical panels. Combine this with partner solutions that are pre-qualified for fit and finish while using standard components. For triangles, trapezoids, and parallelograms in 2D or 3D, mains can run parallel to the technical zone. For continuous layouts, the Tech Zone yoke is available. Mains can also run perpendicular to the technical zone. For hexagon panel technical zone integration, mains must run parallel to the technical zone. Hexagon half panels square off the installation at the technical zone. If you're going to run continuous fixtures in your technical zones, we offer continuous linear light trim. This beautifully transitions from light to panels while maintaining that crisp 1/8-inch reveal from trim to panel. The trim is easily top screwed into place and it does not interfere with the panel's torsion spring to slot integration. For all MetalWorks Shapes installations, we offer metal panels with cutouts for linear technical zone lighting. These install to the technical zone with torsion springs, ready to accept our partner fixtures. Technical zone fixtures will need to be independently supported. Solid torsion spring panels are available for areas with no MEP. Axiom and MetalWorks trims simplify cloud installations. The popular ATC adjustable trim clip perfectly trims MetalWorks torsion spring shapes, just like it does just about every other ceiling that we manufacture. Adjust the ATC to your ceiling depth, which in this case is 1.5 inches. Raise up your trim and clamp to your grid on 24 or 30-inch centers. Then screw attach. Wall or trim perimeter cuts are fast and easy with a metal cutting circular saw. The ATC perfectly spaces your grid to allow the 1.5-inch panel the needed clearance to rest on the trim. To press the cut edge evenly to your trim, use the Axiom hold-down clip. Cut panels at the wall rest on box perimeter molding, while cut panels are held into place evenly along the box molding with spreader hold-down channel.